Good morning, everyone. So my dad is going outside. Now he's going downstairs. I know he's going, so he's going to him. I don't know what it is, so let's go see about that, everyone. So let's go put that down at the grass. Now, my dad will wash the floor over there, dirty floor. Wash, yeah, and go back inside. But you need your hat. And then we go to your shed, and then we get your boots, and then we get our glasses, and that's done. We go back over there. Now my dad is washing everything, so it will keep clean every day. And then, well, why? But Daddy cleans so much. Daddy is a good worker. I like my dad. I love you, everyone. Almost time now. Now 5 minutes to see this part now. Bye bye.